Are you tired of manually uploading your products to Google Shopping? Learn how to install the official Google Product Feed plugin in under 4 minutes. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the WooCommerce Marketplace, from your dashboard to completing the purchase, so you can start syncing products immediately. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard and opening the WooCommerce area. Then, in the WooCommerce Marketplace, click on Popular Products to browse the trending options. Next, hit See More to expand the list of popular products. Now, click on Highlight to filter the results down to what you're looking for. From there, find and click on Google Product Feed to open its product page. Go ahead and click the Buy Now button to start the purchase. Then, on the confirmation prompt, click Buy Now again. Once you've clicked that second Buy Now, the checkout process will get going. Now, click on Payment Method to choose how you'd like to pay. Then click to agree to the terms of service, acknowledge the privacy policy, and authorize your payment method to be saved and charged on a recurring basis until you cancel. Finally, hit Pay to complete the purchase. You're all done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.